Hey, vegan lovers there. Are you ready to spice up your meal or breakfast or snack with our super delicious vegan kebab? Today we are preparing a mouth-watering recipe with our legume superstar, the humble chickpea packed with a protein and the full of a flavors. Chickpeas are a perfect base for a tasty kebab that everyone can enjoy. You can also use as a burger patties. Trust me, it is so delicious that I cook once every month compulsorily. For that, we have to chop onions and green chilies. Also means the white garlic. I have boiled the black chickpeas and potato. Potato I used as a binding material as I am not going to use any binding material from the outside. And I added all the chopped material and the soaked and boiled chickpeas and boiled potatoes and blended over it. And it looks like I can eat like this also. If you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe my channel and also watch the other videos that are interesting and vegan in nature. It is not that much difficult. It is so simple and healthy. I have added some salt, turmeric powder, and coriander powder, and a cumin seed, and the sesame seeds. It will enhance our flavor as it will infused inside the paste. This vegan kebab use can also use as a burger patties or in rolls or as your snacks or your breakfast or in the occasions. So mix this properly so that all the masalas will get infused inside the paste. And now we are going to make the shape of the vegan kebab. I have made the round shape as a patties, but you can also make it a cylindrical shape as the non-vegetarian kebab. And I have added some oil, only 2 to 3 spoon for the shallow fry, not a deep fry, and add slowly to it. But you can also bake it or grill it for 10 minutes at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. It will much more crispier than shallow frying. You can now turn over it, cook it on a medium flame so that the lower part will become crispier. It is crispier from the outside but the juicy as well as the soft from the inside. Look how it is breaking, so you have to softly turn over it. From child to old age people can consume it as it is super soft and it will dilute on reaching to your tongue. Look how healthy and delicious it looks. I have served it with the avocados as I use it in breakfast. Look how delicate and super delicious it looks. It is perfect for the based eating. Do you like it or not? Comment down and also subscribe my channel. Don't forget to play that hit button. Look how. Do you like it? Like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Enjoy eating. It's for you.